Hello and welcome. Mark Rundell here, Minecraft Global Mentor, and just getting off of a Skype-a-thon chat with some awesome second graders from South America. Really inspired me to do a lesson here. So this is a basic multiplication and skip counting lesson. So I'll be using Minecraft EDU and Code Builder. So as you see, I have a little fence here, and the purpose of the fence is to help keep our animals in. So we're going to be doing some skip counting and some basic multiplication. This is a great lesson that you can do with younger students, maybe first, second, and third grade. So we're going to come over here to Code Builder. And you see I already have some chats up. I have a code to make a quick fence. I have a chat command for OK to set my weather to clear and my time set to day in case it gets rainy or dark out. And just in case I want to use my agent, I'm going to teleport my agent. So I'm going to create a chat command, and we're going to call it count, since this is skip counting and multiplication. And we're going to use mobs, and so that's why we want our fence to keep our mobs contained. So we're going to spawn a couple different animals here. Let's see. So our first mob that we're going to spawn, getting some lag here, is going to be, you know what? Everybody loves chickens. So let's spawn one chicken. Let's repeat that block. And this time, I want all friendly mobs, by the way. Let's spawn a cow. And we'll do that one more time. This time, we're going to spawn a pig. So we have 3 different mobs that we're going to spawn. So let's go ahead and test that out. And I'm going to type in my chat command by hitting the T button and the word count. And let's see. So I have 3 mobs here, right? All right. So that's 1 time. 1 times 3 is 3, or skip counting by 3. So now we're going to come over here. We're going to settle back down to keep our stuff contained. I'm going to enter in my chat command, fence 2. I'm going to change that just to regular fence. I was messing around with a few different commands. So we're going to make it fence. So, and I'm using the builder for that, not the agent. So I'm going to type fence, and there we go. There's my new fence. And now we're going to get into some loops here. So we're still working with multiples of 3, but now I'm going to go to my loops, and the default for loops is 4. So we'll just do 4. So here you see the multiplication problem emerging, 3 times 4. So let's go ahead and resume and type in the word count. Now we're going to check out our mobs. And let's see, we sure enough have 1, 2, 3, 4 pigs, 1, 2, 3, 4 cows, and 1, 2, 3, 4 chickens. 4 groups of 3 for a total of 12. And there's a pig. See, good thing we have our fence, or that extra pig would have gotten in and messed up our count. So we can use our mob generator, our count command, in order to practice skip counting and multiplication. So I'll come over here one more time, and I want to make sure that there's no friendly mobs already in there. I'm going to enter in fence, and there's my fence. And now, instead of changing my number of loops, I could change my loops to 7 and do 3 times 7, or I don't want to do 73. That might break my computer. But maybe I want to add a 4th mob. So I want to, instead of doing my times 3 tables, now I'm going to do my 4 times tables. So let's go ahead, and I want an ocelot. And I'm going to do 6. So now we're going to practice 6 times 4. And getting a little rainy, getting a little dark. So I'm going to use my chat command OK. And that clears it right up. So now we're going to type count. And let's see. Sure enough, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ocelots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cows, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pigs. And you got to do that quick, because as you can see, the ocelots, they are hungry. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick multiplication and skip counting lesson using Minecraft Education Edition and Microsoft's MakeCode. Enjoy.